Today we'll be making some DIY laundry soap. This is what we use in our household on the daily. It is septic safe, clean, all natural, and gets the job done. So let's get started. It is pretty simple. It's 4 ingredients, 5 if you like to add essential oils. Maybe half a cup of Epsom salt, 1.5 cups of baking soda, 1.5 cups of sodium carbonate, which is washing soda, 1/4 cup of sea salt. Give that a good mix. Add to your mason jar. Leave a little room. Put your cap on. Give it another good shake. And there you go. Your homemade, clean DIY laundry soap. Find all of this in the link below on my Walmart storefront. If you like to give it a little scent, go ahead and add some essential oils to your cart as well, or if you have them at home, go ahead and add 20 to 25 drops and mix.